at Yonder, we offer balloon installations this season. And so what we like to do is to offer a organic installation. So it can be either an entrance to your building along the outside, or it can be something that you want to lead someone into a different part of the building that your venue is at. A couple different things is that a lot of people don't know that we can actually mix colors for our balloons. So right now I have a black balloon inside of this green balloon, and it makes it a little bit more emeraldy color. So this installation that I'm working on currently is for a client's corporate colors. So it's a little bit of a darker green, a lighter green, and then I can mix in some of this like tealy blue. With that organic aspect, it takes a lot of different sizes of balloons, which is nice. So I can blow up a balloon to be a smaller size, or we can go all the way up to a 36-inch balloon. So there's a lot of different ways to do installations in different sizes and shapes. So just contact us and we can talk about what you would like.